You're not weak for needing connection. You're human. What's weak is scrolling alone in silence. If you're a man feeling stuck, heavy, or numb, it's probably not laziness. It's isolation. And here's the truth. You're not going to scroll your way into real brotherhood. You have to go out and build it. Let's make it simple. 1. Join a physical community today. Not tomorrow, today. Gym, martial arts, cycling club, chess night, volunteer group. If men are gathering, go. Why it works. You bond over shared effort. That's how men connect. 2. Learn something new with other men. Sign up for a class. Learn carpentry, jujitsu, guitar, welding. Skills build confidence. Community builds naturally. 3. Initiate. Don't wait. Say this. Hey, I've been wanting to get around good people more. You know any solid groups? That one sentence has built entire circles. You're not bothering anyone. You're building something most men secretly crave. 4. Join the gym and go at the same time. Start saying hey to familiar faces. No deep talks at first, just repetition. Nod, spot someone, ask about their workout. That's how it starts. No apps, no algorithms, real life. 5. Ditch the passive scrolling, replace it with active searching. Instead of swiping, Google clubs near me, men's groups in your city, skill building classes. Use the internet to meet people in the real world. 6. Get serious about your time. Ask yourself, is my free time building my life or draining it? Replace half your scroll time with one real conversation, one hobby, or one challenge. You'll feel the shift within a week. Challenge this week's Brotherhood mission. Join a group, show up 2x, start one real conversation, then repeat next week. That's how tribes are built. You don't need 50 friends. You need 3 good men who want to win at life with you. Strong men don't isolate. They initiate, they build, and they protect what matters. Follow if you're done being passive and ready to build your circle.